party people, welcome back to Chill Style. Today I am going to create a look with some of the things I got for free. No, I'm not sponsored. Sorry. My boyfriend's sister got me all this new makeup. And yeah, I'm just gonna try it on today. Maybe this stuff, and then we'll see if I can dabble into other things as well. But if you want to see this video, just keep on watching. Alrighty, so the first thing I am going to do is I am going to use this NYX shadow in the shade Pastel Chic. And I'm going to put that onto the crease with a brush. I'm going to use this brush. This is one of the Bebe brushes, so I'm just going to use this brush. My eyes are already primed, so I remember to do something. Wow, do you see the kickback here? That's crazy. Alright, so I'm just going to go into the crease. So this is not a very good first impressions of this. Don't like it at all. Not cute. Alright, so this was just to lay it down. Some shadow. And now I'm going to go in with my ColourPop Quad pressed shadows. You guys know I don't really like this, but I'm going to try this anyway. Base right now. I think I'm gonna mix in this shade and then the shade I just used, which is this one, and see if I like them better. Yeah, I like that better. Wow, that's a really nice combo. I like that. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with, I haven't used this in a while, in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium Tan. I have it. And I'm going to use this little sponge applicator and see how that goes with it. Just so that I can have a better, steadier hand. Alright, so this is not working very well, so I'm just gonna go in with the paddle. And that's where I wanted it. Of course I covered up some of the crease, but I can always go back. Same thing on the other eye. Let that dry a bit. Just pat it down. like I said, I can always go back after I'm done putting that color. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go in with this Milani Shadow Eyes eyeshadow pencil and what is this called? Aquatic Style. This is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna start putting it on as a foundation I want for the blue. I'm just gonna put this on first, and then I'm gonna put the actual color I'm gonna put on. This concealer is not dry yet, and it's giving me problems. All right. So I clearly should have waited for the concealer to dry because I'm having a bit of a hiccup now. I still like it though. Alrighty, and I just used this shade on an eye pencil just to make the blue that I actually want pop out a little bit more. I figured it would at least. So this is the shade I actually want. And I'm going to take it on this packing brush. You see how smoothly that's going on now? That's what that looks like. I'm doing it on the other side, and I'll be right back. Alright, party people, these are the eyes. I'm actually going to tight line with the shade I used before, the actual blue shade. That looks nice. Like that. And now I'm gonna try and see if there's a shade I could use for lips. Alright, pretty people, I think that's about it. You don't want to overdo it since I already have the bold eye look. So this lipstick will do its justice. I also put a little bit of mascara if you didn't notice. And this is the finished eye look. That is about it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Chastelle. Bye, pretty people.